shoot all that.
Hey guys, I'm George from Flashskaters, and today we are talking about wheels. Yeah, I'm hanging out with Bramwell. He's an inline professional skater. Before that, I'll give you a background of wheels. Skating wheels, they matter a lot because you have two different types. You have plastic wheels and you have rubber wheels. Depending with what you want and what you're doing. If you're a beginner, especially for little children, it's advised to start with the plastic wheels. But if you're a professional skater, you need rubber wheels. What I mean by rubber is this. Different shoes has different wheel size, and for you to get to know your wheel size, it's always indicated on the frame. Like this one is indicated 110 millimeter. That means we need to put 110 millimeter on this.
It depends. With there are frames which are rockered.
Rocket that can hold 80
and 76, yeah.
And there's one that can hold
80 mm, yeah. And that's usually written to 43.
And there's one that can hold 110.
Yeah, 110, 100 mm.
One for 90,
84,
78, 74, 60 millimeters.
Yeah.
I think that's for the skating shoes.
All right.
When you buy a normal wheel, it usually comes like this. They don't have bearings. So if it's your first time buying, don't expect to get bearings. You should not expect to get bearings. The wheel I'm using now is called SWC. It is 110 millimeter. If you get a wheel, the 110 millimeter, the number written with millimeters, it's the diameter of the wheel. And then there's another number written here, written 85A. If you have noticed, it's 85A. It's very small, you can't see it, but it's written 85A. That is the hardness of the wheel. So I'll ask you, the higher the number, the more harder it is, or the smaller the number, the more harder it is? The bigger the number, the harder it is. The harder it is. So if I get the one with the 90A, that's even better. Okay, so that's what I'm going to talk about today, wheels. The reason I'm buying new wheels is because I've been using these wheels for a while, and again, the purpose for you changing a wheel is there are so many factors that can lead to that. One, they are very slow. Two, they are rusty and they are broken. Like for instance, if you check this video, I broke my wheel before. This is not a good idea. Fuck yeah. Wow. Yeah.
See what a jump made.
This is the end product. I just broke all. I broke this leg, so this will. Again, maybe you just need to change, and there's a new product on the market. But for me, these wheels are very slow. You can see, I think they're around 90 millimeters now from 110, and for me it's very slow. Because when I skate, I'm kind of finding it hard to push my skates. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to change. So I'm going to change this to this. Even if you see, there's a big difference already if I put it inside here. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to ask my friend here. Bramwell is a professional inline skater. Are you in any club?
No.
He's not in any club. He's an independent candidate. We are approaching election in Kenya. That's why we are saying this.
That guy.
Yeah, so I want to ask you, which type of wheels are you using?
I always use G13.
You use G13.
G13.
Okay.
That is good for me when I'm skating.
So like, let me ask you, one reason why you're using G13, like one advantage or two. Give me two.
Yeah,
like if you had a choice between G13 and SWC.
And SWC. You choose
G13.
Okay. Reason one.
One reason, just clean
Grip. Okay.
And so unique when I fix the skate.
They are unique. They are different patterns.
They are different patterns.
Okay.
They are unique.
Unique. Okay. Another thing about wheels, not all wheels have this pattern. They are different. Like you can see this one, the before one, and this one, they have different patterns. These are just, let's say, different brands and different company has their unique way of let's say, decorating their shoes or their wheels. Yes. So again, one thing about wheels, if you want to get LED wheels, they are totally different from this. If you compare LED wheels, they're usually white first of all, because so that they can reflect the color that is when you skate. That if it's a blue, it will clearly be seen on a white wheel. So it is going to be different like this. And then also on LED, come closer. You see inside here they have magnets. They have magnets so that when you fix the bearing and the magnet, now when it rotates, it can glow or light. Yeah, so that's the difference. I think for this video, that's it. This video is sponsored by Insta360. I use Insta360. Let me show you. I use Insta360 ONE X2 to shoot all of my videos, and most of you, in fact all of you, have been questioning where I get my camera. So be the first person to click the link, the first link on this description. It will send you direct to the page and you can see the amazing products. And again, when you buy through my link, you'll get a small discount. Like now they have a discount, it's called end of sale discount. Yeah, you can save up to $229. That's a lot of money you can save. So if you click the link on the first description, it will send you direct. Let me. You might be asking yourself, why Insta360? One, because it's 5.7K resolution. You can shoot for 30 frames per second. It's waterproof. You get a 360 view. Again, it's easy to edit. At the same time, you can just shoot your video. You take it to the app and you let the app edit for you. You just sit and relax. That's how amazing Insta360 is. Another thing, it's very portable. As you can see, it has a visible selfie stick. Most of the time when I skate, you don't see me holding my camera. I usually wonder, how am I getting these shots? That's why you should get Insta360. Specifically for this channel, we are using Insta360 ONE X2. Yeah, so shout out to Insta360 for sponsoring this video. Yeah, go and check them out. So back to the video. I'm going to fix the wheels. I'm going to fix the wheels to the shoes, and then I take a lap, and I'll give you the results after. So cheers, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, comment, like and share. Thank you, Bramwell, for your input. Yeah, welcome. Just cleaning the bearings. I've done the video about this before. As always, you can click up and watch the video. Yeah. One of the skating hacks, when you want to remove your bearing, normal people will do this. But abnormal people like us, you put your Allen key inside and then you push. Yay! We're in skate park, that's why we have this. We're going to try out the wheels, and then we're going to give you a review. We're still shooting on Insta360 ONE X2. If you need one, click the first link on the description below. Let's go.
Awe, umeanza.
So guys, this is the review of the wheel. So far it's so speed, fast, and I feel very comfortable. Yeah, I think they are nice. The rebound is so nice and everything. Again, I've tried braking and it was very okay. So I think the wheels, generally, it's all good. Hapana, ni vile nimeruka hapo. After the ride around the skate park, this is Nairobi skate park. Yeah, if you don't know about skate park of Nairobi, you can check the link up here. So I think the wheel is fine. The only problem I have with it is that it doesn't have that grip, because when I do the brake, when I try to brake, it slides for so long. It's supposed to be like, you get
instant.
Supposed to be instant. But apart from all that, it's nice wheel. It's very fast. It's very comfortable. Very light. Again, according to me. Sorry.
How about speed?
Speed. It's very fast. Definitely, it's very fast because it's new again.
So, if you say the wheels don't have grip, so new wheels are good for slides, Ama?
Sorry?
Are new wheels good for sliding, for doing slides, Ama?
I don't think so. But again, it depends with you.
With the skater?
Yeah, with the skater. You
Okay.
can be a professional skater, but when you get certain type of wheels, you can't handle it, or you can be an amateur and you can handle the wheel.
So it depends with the person.
It depends with the person.
So
I think I love the wheel. We'll see the way it goes, because it's going to be part of us for now. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I think, have I forgotten anything?
Nope.
That's it for this video. When I jumped, it was fine. When I tried to brake, it was fine, but it doesn't have that grip. Yeah, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing, comment, like and share. And if you need an Insta360, please click the link on my description. You'll find all the gears that I use, and you can buy it. When you buy through my link, you get a discount of up to $229. Imagine $229 off any product that you want. They have a it's called discounted.
Sell.
Yes, end of year sale. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I'm George from flashskaters. Our merchandise is available also. Support this channel, and when you watch this video, watch till the end, and we'll be having giveaways.
Let's do this.
Yeah, so I don't know about you. Maybe you can comment below and tell me which type of wheels you're using, and which brand will you recommend, or have you ever tried this type of the wheel before? Just tell me on the comment below and I will check it out. And again, you can suggest where we can skate next, because we are tired of Nairobi. We want something new. If you have like a place where you think we can really come and skate, we can come and showcase. It will be highly appreciated. So I'm looking for your comments. Yeah, and then if you watch this video, just give a comment. It won't cost you anything. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, again, give it a thumbs up. Cheers.
Let's try again. But it was awesome. Nice.
Su casa. Kwa hiyo video,